Good morning. I want to share with you guys what my morning ritual looks like. And that starts with waking up at 4:30 a.m. and showing gratitude, being grateful for the bed that I wake up in, and making my bed every morning. What I want to show you guys most is I show daily gratitude as well as reflect on my goals and my dreams for the year. And I'll go into detail what my vision board looks like. Okay, so my hubby and I have made vision boards in 2017, and we're actually keeping them the same because there's a few things we would like to achieve. So, what I look at every morning is my own vision board, and all these photos really inspire me and motivate me. And the first thing I actually get to see is this, a check that I have written to myself that comes from the universe for $1 billion, 2020, October 10th. And I also have this in my wallet as well. So I use it for my banking numbers, but it's hilarious because sometimes when I go sign up for things and they need my banking information, I'll pull out this check, and some people will laugh at it and some people will be inspired by it. So either way, the universe, there's so much abundance in this world. Why not think big and why not dream big? So I just put the intention out there, let it go, allow it to show up in whatever way it needs to. And whether or not I do achieve this, at least I am on the path towards going to abundance and having a bigger, better, wealthier mindset. Money is not the most important thing in the world. However, money does give you freedom and options to do the things that you want to and live the life that you want to. So that's my reminder. I had set out these physical goals, and last year I started at 142 pounds. If you guys go back to my older videos, you'll see my journey to transformation. So this channel is all about transforming your entire life in all areas of your life, and I wanted to document it to see what the future brings for me. Also, I did achieve these goals, maybe not to the T of these body goals, but I do have some new body goals that I would like to attain at the end of this year, and I'll share that with you guys as well. So be obsessively grateful. That's one of my favorite photos. Nice little reminder for me. And what I read every day is my daily affirmation. So this reminder to self, if your life will remain the same, if you do not change, what does that currently look like? It actually doesn't look like this anymore. Last year it did, and I have changed so much and I've also paid off a lot of debt. I paid off my entire school loan. This was just something that I could reflect on so that I would never go backwards. So no growth. If you do not go for the life you deserve, your life will remain as above. And I refuse to settle for less. So I just worked every single day consistently to get out of this little rut that I was in last year. So I was sick and tired of being sick and tired. I wasn't financially meeting my goals, and I was actually suffering from quite a bit of debt. And this year is a complete 180. I've changed so much of that. So I don't even read that anymore. But what I read every morning is this. These are my daily affirmations in one letter. So good morning, beauty. I believe something wonderful is going to happen to me today. Divine inspiration surrounds me, and I attract the exact type of people I want around me. Creative minds with amazing commitment to their dreams. Today, I am prepared for all my biggest and wildest dreams to come true. I'm blessed with a wonderful fiance who loves me for me, family, and incredible friends. My body is perfect, healthy, vibrant. My mind is intelligent and attracts brilliant ideas. My soul is tranquil and filled with love, peace, happiness, abundance, prosperity, and success. I am aligned with the energy of abundance, and unexpected money comes to me to be easily saved and invested. I am a magnet for money and a life filled with luxury. I am grateful every day. So I read that and I read it with conviction, and I've done this for the last year. So it's been something that's kind of ingrained in my head. I could probably read it without looking at it anymore. I have a lot of travel photos, um, like potential places that I'd like to live in. I have a lot of lovey-dovey photos because relationships and connections are very important to me. And be your own kind of beautiful. Live the life that you want. So I am now off to my gym session. This is what I wanted to share with you guys, and this is how I kind of set up my morning routine. I get into a great state of mind, go to the gym. When I come back, I get ready, I shower, I have a really healthy breakfast. It's normally the same, which is oatmeal or overnight oats, and I kind of stick with that because it's easy to digest, it's filling. Then I listen to an hour of motivational podcast or anything that is going to help feed my mind and nourish my brain. So I do that every morning, and I hope that you guys are inspired by this, and maybe that you decide to create your own morning routine. But in the next video, I want to show you how to get most out of your day through time blocking. So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have an amazing day.